What is this circuit? Here's the circuit right here. Guess what that is? It's from the 151 and I'm adapting it to 161. And it's a radio circuit that uses integrated circuit and transistor to pick up radio signals from the antenna right here through the capacitors, through the diode, through the transistor, through the integrated circuit into the relay, which clicks off and on. Then I added 3 volts to this wire, which goes to the coil, which makes sound. It makes a buffing sound when the station is close. Watch. That's set at 7. That means it's a station and it's creating a very large sound impulse. Weak. I'm checking to make sure that transistor and the integrated circuit don't get too hot. Because since I modified it, I might, over a period of time, damage them. So I'm being very careful. Weak. Faster pulses, but it's qualitative. It's not going to tell you exactly, but it tells you by the sound output of what good stations there are. At 0, there's another station. It's very finicky. It's intermittent, so it's going to be pulsing back and forth. Station that's buzzing the most is station 7 out of 10. I use a switch so I can control the output, but this is adapted from the 151 into the 161. As you can see, there's wires going everywhere, and the wire goes to the antenna. If I remove the antenna, it wouldn't work as well, I don't think. So let's try this again, moving the antenna. Yeah, it picks up different stations depending on the antenna. It has an amplification of 600. 200 times 3 is 6 plus transistor another 200, so a total of 800 amplification.